What's up, guys? We're out on Reedy Creek again today. I'm going to be chasing some gold. Walking through the middle of nowhere. I think this is an old timer's road, to be honest. A little footpath. It's a bit dense. It's starting to open up for me, but oh good. Still have no idea where we're going. It's part of the adventure. Gone from down the bottom of the valley to the top of a hill. Now I come to an intersection. Let's go this way. Or this way. I don't know. Too many decisions. Gotta love when the creek is clear as all hell. Should be a good day for the gold, hopefully. It's pretty cool. Doesn't show up on the camera as good, but it's nearly blue. A lot of big rocks and stick around. Some nice crevices down there that are pretty hard packed. Fractured bedrock. First pan underneath that rock showed some gold, so hopefully we do alright today. I'm trying to do my best to record. I don't have a cameraman today. My partner's at work, so see how we go. Always check for nuggets. Very rare on this creek. You never know your luck. Someone might have dropped one. I haven't been that lucky yet to find one. Right. I haven't even started panning. There's a bit of gold in the back of the pan. I think there's two bits, one there and one there. So pan it out and we'll see what we got. Unfortunately, it was only the three little specks. There was one that was hidden and the other two that I seen. Keep persisting, otherwise we might have to move on. I love it when you just get swooped and attacked by a heap of kookaburras and magpies. I think I found where they live. Anyway, new spot in the middle of nowhere, still Reedy Creek. Let's see how this goes. I might be lucky in here. Well, so far the gold's been a dud, so I'm going to do what I do best and go look for some crystals. I'm going to try a new creek probably tomorrow or something, and we'll see how we go. Found some relic in the bush. Still chasing out amethyst. And we're going to have a look here, because I found a couple of little pieces of amethyst in amongst this tailings, so it's nothing major, but it's still got some purple on it. So yeah, we'll see. So no real big finds today. Found a little bit of gold, a little bit of purple. Try our luck again tomorrow when my partner's not at work, and we can explore a bit longer. Thanks guys. Nothing spectacular, but there is a little bit of purple there. They'll just go to the kids because they love their crystals, whether they're coloured or not. But yeah, that was it for today.